now from the IBA at Winchester, engineering announcements for the radio and television trade.
Hello and welcome to this week's engineering announcements. Today mainly transmitter news, including this year's remaining Channel 4 installations, and no fewer than 13 new television relays, either just on the air or due on in time for Christmas.
But first, a chance for members of the trade to come and visit the IBA here at Crawley Court. About once a month we invite dealers and aerial riggers to spend a day with us to find out more about present and future broadcasting technology. During the morning we give an informal illustrated talk, and there's plenty of time for discussions over lunch. In the afternoon there's a look around some of our technical areas. As well as describing the way we set up and maintain the terrestrial networks, we cover the development of new systems planned for satellite broadcasting. The next visit is on Thursday the 22nd of January. If you'd like a taste of the future as well as a look at the present, do contact us as soon as possible. Our address and telephone number at the end of the broadcast.
Transmitter news now, and the work to convert all UHF television transmitters to have a sound power, 10% of vision power, is now complete. This helps improve transmitter efficiency and paves the way for the possible introduction of digital stereo sound in a few years' time.
News of a new independent local radio transmitter in the south of England. Radio 210's new service for the Basingstoke and Andover areas is expected to begin early in the new year. On VHF only, engineering test transmissions on 102.9 MHz have already started. The transmitter is sited at Hannington.
In the East Midlands, a transmitter identification symbol is being radiated on Central's service from Waltham, together with its 11 dependent relays. This is to allow market research for Central. The transmitter identification symbol is a very small square in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. It's there between 9:30 in the morning and 9 in the evening until Saturday the 20th of December.
Special announcements now, and in Scotland the main station at Darvel is due to be off this morning between about 9:30 and 10. This is for a mast light to be changed, weather permitting. In Devon, maintenance work at Stockland Hill means reduced power on the ITV channel from 9 in the morning until 9 this evening. In North Wales, 4 relays are affected by interruptions to the electricity supply. Llangollen, Cefn Mawr, Bontvaddock and Glencerriog are liable to be off between 9:30 and 3. For the same reason, tomorrow in Scotland on North Uist, Cletreval will be off between 8:30 and 1. This will also affect Dalibre, Kilbride and Bruanish.
On Thursday morning in South Wales, Rhondda will be off between 9:30 and 11:30 for an electrical inspection. On Friday morning, Tyneravel will be off between 9:30 and 11:30, also for an electrical inspection. Looking ahead to next Monday in South West Wales, Greenhill will be off between 9:30 and 1 because of work by the Electricity Board.
New relays now, starting in Somerset, where Exford is now on the air. The station covers about 220 people in the villages of Exford and Edgecote. Another 100 or so people who receive marginal signals from Stockland Hill or Mendip could also benefit. HTV West and TVAM are on Channel 41, with Channel 4 on 47. Group B aerials are needed, vertically polarised. Exford is now on the air.
Near Minehead, Crampton is also now on the air. This is for about 960 people in Crampton, Blue Anchor, Chapel and Old Cleve, Bilbrook and Witherscombe. Viewers in the service area should be encouraged to change over to the new relay to avoid interference problems. HTV West and TVAM are on Channel 30, with Channel 4 on 56. This means Group W wideband aerials are needed, vertically polarised. Crampton near Minehead is now on the air.
In Scotland, on the air a little earlier than expected, Wanlock Head. This is for about 250 people in the village of Wanlock Head. Programmes from Scottish Television and TV AM will be on Channel 47 and Channel 4 on 41. The aerial group is B and the polarisation vertical. Wanlock Head is now on the air.
Also now on, a little earlier than expected, in Strathclyde, Lead Hills. This is for about 275 people in Lead Hills itself. Scottish Television and TV AM will be on Channel 61, with Channel 4 on 54. Group CD aerials are needed vertically polarised. Lead Hills is now on the air.
In East Sussex, Eastbourne is due on the air this week. The station is for nearly 5,000 previously unserved people in parts of central and southern Eastbourne, in particular to the north of Devonshire and Gildredge Parks, and in the area down by the college around Carlisle Road and Welcome Crescent. The relay will also serve another 4,500 people at present marginally served by Dover, Heathfield or Hastings. Any Hastings viewers in the new service area are advised to change to the Eastbourne relay when it opens to avoid interference. TVS South East and TV AM will be on Channel 23 with Channel 4 on 30. Aerials should be Group A and vertically polarised. That's Eastbourne, due on the air later in the week.
In West Yorkshire, the relay at Cullingworth is now also hoped to be ready by the end of the week. This is for about 650 people in the villages of Cullingworth and Harden. Yorkshire Television and TV AM will be on Channel 49, with Channel 4 on 68. The aerial group is E, and unusually for a relay, the polarisation is horizontal. Cullingworth is now expected on the air in a few days' time.
On the Isle of Wight, Luckham is hoped to be on air within the next week or two. It's for about 260 unserved people in Luckham Village and parts of Shanklin as far as Little Stairs Point. The relay will also serve another 220 people at present marginally served by Rowridge, Midhurst or Hannington. Viewers in the new service area, presently using other stations, should be encouraged to change to the Luckham relay to avoid interference problems. TVS and TV AM will be on Channel 59 and Channel 4 on 34. Group W wideband aerials are needed, vertically polarised. That's Luckham on the Isle of Wight, expected on the air in a week or two.
Also due in a week or two, about 3 miles west of Eastbourne, East Dean. This relay is for about 1,400 people in East Dean and Friston. Viewers in the service area receiving signals from Heathfield or Newhaven should be encouraged to change over to the new relay to avoid interference. Programmes from TVS South East and TV AM will be on Channel 54, with Channel 4 on 42. Group E aerials are needed, vertically polarised. East Dean is expected on the air in a week or two.
Near the Wales-England border, the relay at Nuckless is now expected on the air in a week or two. The relay will serve about 250 people in Nuckless itself and in parts of the surrounding rural area. Central and TV AM will be on Channel 42 and Channel 4 on 49. Group B aerials are needed, vertically polarised. Nuckless is due on air in a week or two.
And there's more to come. Also hope to be ready in time for Christmas. In the London area, New Barnet, London ITV and TV AM on 59 and Channel 4 on 48. Group CD aerials vertically polarised. In Dorset, Rampisham, TSW and TV AM on 43 and Channel 4 on 50. The aerial group is B, but the polarisation is horizontal. In South Yorkshire, Conisbrough, Yorkshire Television and TV AM on 60 and Channel 4 on 53. Group CD aerials are needed, vertically polarised. To the southwest of Shrewsbury, Colebrookdale, Central and TV AM on 47 and Channel 4 on 41. The aerial group is B, vertically polarised. These relays hope to be on the air within the next couple of weeks.
Channel 4 next, and 3 more existing stations are now equipped. In North Yorkshire, Grassington on Channel 29, on the Isle of Mull, Glengorm on 54, and on Barra, Castle Bay on 31. These stations extend Channel 4 coverage by 2,400. Expected towards the end of the week, in North Yorkshire, Hunmanby on Channel 50, and in Scotland, in Dundee, Camperdown on 29. And hope to be on the air before Christmas, in North Yorkshire, Grinton Lodge on Channel 50. All other relays yet to be equipped for Channel 4, just under 100, are all due next year.
And that's all for this week, but if you have any technical queries on independent television or local radio, do contact us. You can telephone our inquiry office on Winchester, area code 0962 822444. If it's cheaper, you can use our London number, 5847011, and ask to be put through to engineering information. We'll be on the air again next Tuesday at 9:15 and again in all regions except Wales at 12:15. So from John Lovell and from me, Maury Nicholson, goodbye from Crawley Court.